The question that I got online that I feel that it's nice for you to stretch yourself a little bit, to challenge yourself. Such questions are not hard, just that you need to have a very systematic way of thinking and how to solve it. Okay, so at first I saw 300 more books than magazine in the bookstore. Okay, so I know I have what I have books and magazine, and then this is a number. Okay, number, and then this is fraction, right? These are all fraction. So I can draw here books. I don't know how many they have. Magazine, I also don't know how many they have. But then all I know is books, right? Let's say this is the unit. I draw. I know that books have 380 more books than magazine. Bear in mind, this is the number. Oops. So what I have here is a number 380. Okay, this is a number. Okay, and then he say he sold 1/4 of the books. So I know that books is actually what? This unit here is actually 4 unit. Okay, so this one I also can be divided into 4 units. So I just go and divide 4 unit. 1/4 each is here. So then 3/5 of the magazine. So 1/4 and 3/5. So this one I divide in 5 unit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here is what? 3/5. So okay, you notice something? It's very obvious, right? This books, this unit of books here, and this one should be the same. But you notice that this is actually 5 unit, while this is actually 4 unit. Correct? So I just make them the same to make my life more easy to calculate. Over here times 5. Over here I times 4. Please remember, don't times this, because this is not the same. This here is a number, it's not the same as this one. Only this portion here and this portion here is the same. So I only need to do some thing here to make them the same. So when I do this, right, I will have the books in total will be 20 units. I just draw it bigger lah. Okay. In total will be 20 units. But 1 unit is sold, right? 1 times 5, here will be 5 unit. Here will be 5 unit. One times 5. Here will be 5 units sold. So I just maybe draw here 5 unit. Then will be 15 units. Here is 5 units, right? Here is sold. Correct. And then later I will then handle this. I go to the magazine part. Magazine total also up to be 20 units. So it says that 3/5 is sold. 3/5 is sold, right? So here is 3 unit, right? Here this 3 unit I times, because here is just now I times what? Times 4, right? Times 4. So here will be 12 unit that is considered sold. Unit sold. I'll left here with 8 unit unsold. Okay, let's do this. This one, you know, 1/4 of it is sold, 1/4 of the books, because here is unit ma, here is number, I also need to remove 1/4 of it. So if I do 380 divided by 4, I will have how many of here? So it's like 95, 95, 95, 95. I treat it differently is because here says, here is unit and here is number. So you see, just now 1/4 of this sold, right? So this is considered sold and this is considered sold. And then this part is considered sold as well. Okay, so and then this will be what you have, what you will have. So what you left will be this portion here. This portion. This portion here. And all this is what you left, right? And since that the number of books left was 600 more than the number of magazine left. Okay, easy. I already know is this. I can do some arrangement. I can do some arrangement. So maybe I will just make it more easy for you to understand. Here is 15 units left, right? And then magazine left. So here is okay, let me drop away maybe. This is not very nice to go. Okay, here you know is 8 unit. So over here will be 8 unit. This portion until here, this portion. Okay. And then 15 units minus 8 units, right? You have 7 units here, correct? 7 units here. Because this total is 15 units. So, and then here is what? 95. If you 95 times 3 will give you 285. So here is number 285. And then it says what? It says that the number of books left was 600 more than the number of magazine left. So more will be this portion here, right? How many more? 600 more. So you know that 7 units at 285 books will be 600. And then when you do the calculation, you notice that 1 unit equals to 315 divided 7. So 1 unit will be 45. Correct? And then it's asking you, let me see what's the question now. So what was the total number of books and magazine did he had at first? So you know that at first, this portion here is at first, when nothing was sold. This is at first, right? This portion here is at first. How many units of books is 20 units of books? Add, what is this number? Is 380, right? Add another 20 units of magazine. This is books, This is magazine. Correct? And then you know that 1 unit is equivalent to 45. You just put 20 times 45, bracket it, add 380 plus 20 times 45. Will give you a value of 2180. So at first he has 2180 numbers of books and magazine. It's not very hard to understand, right? You can actually pause and try and do it first, and then look through the video. If you really don't understand, then take a pen and pencil and copy down step by step, and then see each part you don't understand. If you actually run through the video and understand, I hope that you give a like to this video. Okay?